Welcome. We are so excited to have you here as we walk you through the newly started JA Career Exploration Fairs. This is a groundbreaking opportunity, and we cannot wait to share the details of what to expect. So let's dive right in partnership with the Palm Beach County School District and Palm Beach State College. Junior Achievement is proud to host these incredible career fairs. Students will explore a wide range of industries and get the chance to network directly with community business leaders. And that's not all. Students can also connect with even more businesses through our special Junior Achievement Google site, offering a treasure trove of networking opportunities. It's added exposure to numerous industries, businesses, and career paths all in one place. Now, let's talk about how the event will run. We've designed a seamless rotational plan to make sure every student gets the most out of their day. Here's how it works. As each school bus arrives, Junior Achievement staff will meet students and hand out colored lanyards. These lanyards direct students to their starting zone. Each small group will begin in a different zone, and you'll spend 20 minutes in each one. Afterward, our team will guide you to the next zone, so you'll have time to network with all of our incredible vendors. There are water fountains and restrooms available on site, so feel free to bring your refillable water bottles. Hydration is key, and don't worry about keeping track of your ride. Each bus will have a specific color and number, making it super easy for everyone to get back to their buses after the event. We've got everything covered for you. To help you make the most of your interactions, here are some pro tips. First, prepare and research. Before the event, we encourage students to research the participating businesses. Knowing their values and services will help you ask informed questions and show you're serious about your future. Next, we've got preview and review tools to help you get ready. Use the Junior Achievement Connect learning pathways for interactives, games, and the JA Digital Career Book to guide you through career options and prep for the fair. And here's a big one. Make a strong first impression. When meeting professionals, introduce yourself confidently, keep eye contact, and offer a firm handshake. Have a short personal pitch ready to highlight your skills, goals, and your excitement to learn from these professionals. You can even bring a copy of your resume to show off and get feedback. After you've had a full day of exploration and networking, each student will be asked for feedback. Simply scan the QR code on your lanyard and answer a few quick questions to help us keep improving the JA Career Exploration Fairs for future students. We're absolutely thrilled to be a part of this amazing experience with you, and we can't wait to see the incredible impact this event will have on your future. We're so excited to see you at the upcoming JA Career Exploration Fair.